Hello friends, in this problem we have to solve an exponential quadratic equation. So this equation is you have x square minus 7x plus 11 raised to the power x square minus 13x plus 42. This is equals to 1. How will you solve this problem? Now if you see this problem closely, you will find you have a base and you have an exponent. Both are quadratic expression. Now this is equals to 1. Now this gives me a hint. So let us write this number or this expression as base raised to the power exponent, and this is equals to 1. Or I can write simply base as b and exponent as e. So b raised to the power e is equals to 1. Now what are the possibility by which this number will be 1? Basically there are three possibilities. First possibility is if you have b is equals to 1 and e is real, in that case e is real, then you will always have 1 because you are raising a power real number of 1. This will always be equal to 1. And the second situation you can have, that is exponent is 0. In that case b can be anything. Only thing is it should not be equal to 0. And the third condition you can have, that is b is equals to minus 1, but exponent has to be even. So e is even. In that case also minus 1 raised to the power even number, this is also equals to 1. Now we will discuss case 1, 2, 3 one by one. So let us say first we consider case 1. And in this case your base is equals to 1 and exponent has to be real. So this is the criteria that I have to check. So what is base? Base is x square minus 7x plus 11. This is equals to 1. This means x square minus 7x plus 10 is equals to 0. Or you can factorize x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 is equals to 0. This means x minus 5. You can take x common, and then here you can take minus 2 common. Then this is also x minus 5. This is equals to 0. This means x minus 5 times x minus 2. This is equals to 0. So two solutions we will have. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to 5. Now you have to check for these two conditions, these two solutions, the exponent is real. What is exponent? Exponent is, so let me write, exponent is x square minus 13x plus 42. Of course this will be real. Just to verify, if we have x is equals to 2 and this will be 2 raised to the power to 4 minus 26 plus 42, that is equals to 12, which is of course a real number. Now x is equals to 5, we will have 25 minus 65 plus 42. And this is 67 minus 65, this is equals to 2. Previous is not 12, this is 42 plus 4, 46 minus 26, that is 20. So in both cases exponent are real. So I can say x equals to 2 and x equals to 5 is solution for this case. Now let us consider case 2. And in this case what we have said, e is equals to 0 but base is not equal to 0. So let us consider this case. Exponent is x cube minus 13x plus 42. This is equals to 0. Now once again I have to factorize this. So this is x square, not x cube. X square minus 7x minus 6x plus 42 is equals to 0. So I have to look for two numbers whose sum is 13 and multiplication is 42. So that's why we have taken 7x and 6x. Now let us take x common. So we will have x minus 7 and here you can take minus 6 common, then x minus 7, and this is equals to 0. This means x minus 6 and x minus 7 are the factors of this equation. So two solutions we will have, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. If the first term is 0, that is x minus 6 is equals to 0, then you will have x is equals to 6 and x minus 7 is equals to 0. In that case, you will have x is equals to 7. So x equals to 6 and x equals to 7 are two solutions. But you have to check that base is not 0. So let us check this condition, and base is x square minus 7x plus 11. So this is my base, and I have to check this base is not equals to 0. So when x is equals to 6, this is 36 minus 42 plus 11, which is of course not equals to 0. Now the second thing, that is x equals to 7. So let us check for this condition also, and 7 into 7 is 49 minus 49, and then you have plus 11, and this is also not equals to 0. So in this case you can say x is equals to 6 and x equals to 7 are the solution for this equation. Now finally we have to consider the third case, and in this case b is equals to minus 1 and e is some even number. So let us check this case. So in this case what you have base is x square minus 7x plus 11. So x square minus 7x plus 11, and this is equals to minus 1. This means x square minus 7x, and this minus 1 if you take this side, so this becomes 12 is equals to 0. Now you can factorize 4x minus 3x, so this will be 4 into 3 will be 12, and minus 4 minus 3 will be minus 7. So that's why I chose the factor. And if you take x common, this will be x minus 4, and here if you take minus 3 common, this is again x minus 4 is equals to 0. So this means x minus 3 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. So two solution, you can have x minus 3 is equals to 0. So from there you will get x equals to 3, and x minus 4 is equals to 0. From there you will get x equals to 4. Now you have to check whether this, in this case, e is even or not. So what is your exponent? Your exponent is this term x square minus 13x plus 42. So x square minus 13x plus 42. Let us check for x equals to 3 whether this is even or not. So 3 into 3 9 minus 39 and plus 42. So this is equals to 12, and this is a even number. Now x equals to 4. So what you will have? 4 into 4 16 minus 52 plus 42, and this is equals to 6. 6 is also even number. So in both cases I have exponent that is even number. So now in this case I can say x equals to 3 and 4 is solution for this equation. So overall I have 6 solution. X equals to 2, that is this one. You see here x equals to 2, and x equals to 5. So this is x equals to 2. So this is one solution. X equals to 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. So from x 2 to 7, all values we have. So what are the solutions? So we have x is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the solutions, basically 6 solutions of this equation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.